Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a little quick video on how the process of this Impala is going. Alright, here we go guys. This is a real quick video on how the Impala is going. I still need to align the gaps. This fender is not even bolted on, but as you can see, all of this, the trim is ready. It's coming along guys. I still need this trim right here. I have everything in there. All the trims are here. Everything is good to go, as you can see guys, right there. Right here, the front end, all the cross members have been painted. All the inside has been painted matte black. I still need the wheel wells for this Impala. That's what's next to get painted, but let me show you the body. There you go guys. You might see water droplets. I just washed it, but there it is. It's coming along. On this side, I am going to show you how I'm going to install the doors, the fenders and everything. I already installed the door on that side, but I haven't done this side, so I am going to show you how I'm going to do it. So there you go. This is another quick video guys on how this 63 Impala is going. It's coming along nicely. Well, there it is. Thank you very much guys. Have a great week. I'll see you this weekend. Like always, stay safe and God bless.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Ride gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway.